Hey guys, my name is Watts and I'm the CEO and founder of STANDOUT. This is some real numbers from my Stripe account. I've made about $42,000 within 6 months. You can see from May to December, I made about $42,000 online, right? This is my Stripe account dashboard and all my payments come through online card transactions. And you can also see that, when I was running my marketing agency, I made about $64,000 within 6 months. So about $100,000 within a year is what I made running multiple businesses, be it a marketing agency or the education businesses that I'm doing right now. So you can make this money too. It's doable, and this is what actually we're going to teach you in this online course. About 63% of the total ad spend in US is gonna be digital by 2021. That is just 1 year down the line. The average pay for a typical digital marketer in the US is about $91,000 in a year. So that's still like good money. And if you are actually a very experienced marketer at a director or a manager level, you can actually make more money. These are some blunt numbers that would help you understand the value and the potential digital marketing has in today's world, and it's just growing exponentially. There's no cap and there's no stop on this in the next 5 to 10 years. Normally a digital marketing agency charges about $100 an hour for consulting or marketing services, be it SEO, social media, affiliate marketing, building a website, content marketing. That's an average. You can definitely build more, you can build less, depending on your expertise or experience, the sort of value that you're adding to another company. You can actually see on the screen how much you can make in different areas of digital marketing. For instance, in social media, you can make about $1,000 to $2,500 a month. Just with providing content strategies, you can make about $2,000. With a website, you can easily sell it for $3,000 to $5,000, and with branding, you can make $4,000 to $5,000 a month. On an average, a digital marketing freelancer earns about $50 an hour. If you have the right skills and you are new to the market, you can easily make $50 an hour doing digital marketing freelancing. Even if you work 2 hours a day, you make about $100 a day, which is about $3,000 a month. That's good money, right? $3,000. I'm not even talking about Singapore dollars. You can actually see on the screen marketers who started from nothing, and now these guys are making more than $50,000 a month doing digital marketing and living the life they want to live. Of course, it takes time. It takes a lot of skills and a lot of hard work to build that amount of money. Neil Patel is actually worth about $5 to $10 million with the companies that he has built, like Crazy Egg and Uber Suggest. Now, why are we doing this? We're doing this to basically build a community of digital influencers. We work with influencers across the globe. We want to empower you to live a life of your choice. Digital marketing is such a powerful skill that if you can get, you can actually use it and leverage it and live your life. You can make money, you can do things that you like and make money out of that. And if that is something that you really want to do and you're excited for, stay tuned, and I'm going to cover this in the next slides. Did you know that 90% of the new ventures fail because they're not able to run their marketing campaign successfully? Yes, you're right, because no matter how beautiful product or service that you have, but if you cannot market your product or service, you'll never be able to sell it or make money out of it. So marketing plays a really essential role in terms of defining your sales and marketing objectives, and digital marketing is something you definitely need to leverage on and basically to run your business. There are a lot of good things that comes along with joining our program. The most important one is the BYOI and DIY for maximum impact. BYOI is bring your own idea, and DIY is do it yourself. So you would bring your own idea and you would do it and learn it and execute it yourself. That's the beauty about this course. So basically, we are helping you turn your passion into reality in a sustainable business model during the complete 3 months of the program. The second best thing about this program is that every week You would be speaking with one of our industry experts working in one of the top companies around the world. It could be from Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Landmark, Decathlon, GEX, and we are actually adding this pool. We are building this industry leadership pool as well in our upcoming programs. So one of the industry leaders will come and speak to you. You would get to interact with them live over the video conferencing. You can ask them questions and they would probably tell you more insights about what's currently happening and trending in their industry and how they're implementing different marketing strategies into their business, which is something that you could learn from and excel from as well. And this will definitely help you in terms of understanding, okay, what's out there and am I in the shadow or not. You also get to be a part of our global programs that we conduct in Singapore. You directly get a fast track entry without having the hassle of going through the process. Plus, you also get about 10 to 30% scholarship on our offline boot camps, which we run in Singapore. The last and the good news is that we are running a 30% scholarship currently on our online boot camps. And if you're really interested, you think this is something you want to do and take up and become a pioneer in digital marketing, you can go for it today, right now. This is the course you want to do, and if you want to do, just go for it. If you want to stand out with us, and we are waiting for you on the other side. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my video, my webinar, and I look forward to seeing you online for this online bootcamp starting on May 1st, 2020.